Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to customize the appearance of Gmail's interface. Let's make your inbox truly yours. To start, open up your Gmail inbox. See that gear icon in the top right corner. Click on it and then select See All Settings. Now, you need to head to the Themes tab. Here's where you can transform the look and feel of your Gmail. Now please click Set Theme and then scroll through the array of themes available. From classic to vibrant, there's a theme for every taste. Click on a theme to preview it. So I like pink, so let's choose this one. And then as you can see the preview of the chosen theme. How about we use this or this or this one? It's really cute. So once you're done deciding, all you have to do is click on save, and that's it. You've learned how to customize the appearance of Gmail's interface. Give your inbox a personal touch that matches your vibe. So thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to customize the appearance of Gmail's interface. See you on my next video.